Part 15. Ano issue do sa reinstatement? Ano ang relief o ano ang what will be the net effect of reinstatement if it is no longer possible? Or to put it directly, if reinstatement is no longer possible, must the employee be paid separation pay? Kasi sabi ng NLRC, reinstate. Sabi ng labor arbiter, reinstate yung empleyado na yan. But the reinstatement is no longer possible. Dapat bang bayaran si employee ng separation pay? There is only one instance that there must be payment of separation pay. Only if there's a strained relationship. There is a strange relation between the employer and the employee. Nag-away na sila. Nagkasuhan, nag-away na. So because of that, strained na yung relationship. Kung ibabalik pa yung tao, diba, iipitin ng boss, diba, yung tao naman, igaganyan, isasabotahin naman niya yung kumpanya, lalo siya gagawa ng kalokohan doon, then nag-away na nga, diba? Kumbaga, serious misconduct, sinuntok ng employer yung boss niya, kaya siya tinanggal. Pagkatapos sasabihin mo, i-reinstate mo dahil walang substantial evidence of dismissal. So if reinstatement is no longer possible and there is already a strained relationship between the employer and the employee, hindi na dapat pabalikin. Babayaran na lang yan ng separation pay. But the separation pay is just an alternative. The separation pay is due only if there is strange relationship. Pero halimbawa, if there's other reason bakit hindi na available yung reinstatement. Kung hindi na available yung reinstatement because ang tagal na di ba? Nakakuha na ng bagong empleyado yung amo or nagsara na yung department na pinagtatrabahuan niya o naging redundant na yung kanyang trabaho. Dati siyang messenger, 'di ba? Ang ginagawa na lang ng kumpanya, nagpapalalamove na lang, nag-grab na lang, naging redundant na. Or hindi na feasible na ibalik siya dahil humina yung negosyo. In fact, nagbabawas na nga ng tao yung kumpanya. Tapos i-reinstate pa siya. Tinatanggal yung iba. Siya naman ang ipapasok. Diba? Again, kung halimbawa ang reason why reinstatement is no longer possible is not because of strained relationship, ano yung rule? Kung ang reason for making reinstatement impossible is the department is already closed, there's already a slowdown in the business, nagre-retrench siya, nagre-reduce na ng personnel, nagkaroon ng redundancy. Ano ang magiging rule? Dapat pa rin ba siyang bayaran ng separation pay? Because the employer, for these reasons, hindi na siya ma-reinstate. It is, sabi ng Supreme Court, it is well to emphasize that in